another swell out there.
You didn't used to be able to see down there, but you see through the pine trees there's a bit of bloody white there. Just made it. Isn't she caught a lot of swell? Alright, epic. We're out here. It's we just knocked off work a little bit early. Come out, we got Dan here. Chris. And yeah, we're on this bloody Paua and crayfish mission again, so whew, yeah, let's go. Alright, we've come out the front here, we're going to go down in there, and as you can see it's a bit of a washing machine. Certainly not the super flat that we're kind of hoping for, but I kind of suspected it was going to be like this. So yeah, we're going to hop in. Gold. About that, only the one cray, but better than nothing. Decent haul of Paua, so pretty stoked. Whew. Marginal conditions, but yeah, worth the effort. Oh, here we are. Back of the truck changed. We've got the sun going down over there. It looks pretty damn good. But yeah, we've got a bloody good feed. You know, I think we ended up with like 7 Paua each or something, which is pretty good for the marginal conditions we're diving in. Only the one cray. I didn't even go out to where the crays normally are. I was pretty stuffed actually. I need to get fit for summer. Like I'm a bit unfit at the moment, but yeah, we're gonna bail out of here, and that's probably pretty much it for this video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Cheers. Almost. We'll make it. Fuck. Woo! Third time's the charm. Check it out.